I'm Shari Filamahala here at the Graphic 45 office, and I'm gonna walk you through a vibrant tag and pocket album. So you can see we're gonna open it right up, and you've got some great dimension in here with the metal clocks, and kicking it right off with a fun little buckle paper page that opens up into a double fold. We've got some fun, great journaling card cut aparts in here. So this is just taking one of those plain pages and really adding some extra pizzazz to that. Here we're going to take a fun layout here. We're just making the two pages cohesive by adding a little strip of paper here that matches over here. Just really brings it all together. And then decorating a tag that comes in that album. This album has been designed for us by Carla Lavera. And if you know Carla's work, she's always maximizing the products and showing you great new techniques that you can reuse over and over. So we've got another pocket page, and here we have cut one of our full-size pages into a more interesting size. And then even we're gonna reuse some of those scraps, of course. And what you love about this album is that the design elements repeat themselves, making it a really easy process to follow along with, but it also adds so much punch and bang when you're flipping through it. So cute. It's such a clever use of all these metal clock key pieces. I absolutely love going to art museums and getting to take those photos and put them inside my own work of art. I am absolutely thrilled about. Add some journaling from the events, but of course these would also be so fun to house your children's art pieces in, your own creative ideas, your own project little journal. We'd love to know how you're gonna use your album. So in the description, in the comments below, let us know how you're gonna use this. Wouldn't this be fun to commemorate a birthday or a summer? And you gotta love those new sticker elements. So pick up this kit. This is our album kit, volume 11 for 2023, featuring our Let's Get Artsy paper collection. The Let's Get Artsy volume 11 album kit includes this super fun collector's edition button, of course, the step-by-step project sheet, the decorative metal clocks, the Ivory rectangle tag and pocket album. You can see in here there's a pre-made album that comes with so many fun pages. You've got some pocket pages with tag inserts, and we've got some side loading pockets here as well. So in there you get 6 different tags, and it's already put together, so you just get to start having fun immediately. The Let's Get Artsy 12x12 collection pack. In here you get 2 of each of these 8 double-sided designs. Great cut aparts and so much to work with in our album. And then of course a 12x12 sticker sheet with the new fun designs, and then a Graphic 45 bag to store all your goodies in. Now grab that album kit and let's create some fabulous memories together.